Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy scheiße.
We're here today to try some of the recipes from our Tastemade videos.
We're gonna eat them and we're gonna tell you whether they're worth eating, what they taste like, whether they're actually worth making.
So I've heard we are having the deep fried cheese sandwich first.
Deep fried.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah.
I'm here for
Every
it.
part of that sounds amazing.
Deep fried grilled cheese sandwich that's been battered with fried chicken batter.
I like cheese, I like sandwiches. You deep fry something, then you have my heart. Literally.
Let's watch the video.
Okay, the caption says, we took a grilled cheese and made it healthy. I think that's a joke.
Ooh.
I think that's one of our best cheese pulls ever.
It's cheese pulling porn to the end of days.
How many types of cheese is that?
That was like 4 kinds
That
of
is
cheese.
I don't even know what they all are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6.
6 types of cheese?
Is it
Cheese
covered in
pull.
Watsons?
Oh, it's got Watsits in it.
What's
What's it?
It's like breaded and
Right,
deep fried.
okay.
It reminds me of like KFC chicken batter.
That seems a bit excessive for me, like buttermilk.
Buttermilk, key. I can see why that looks not appealing.
I'm ready. I'm ready to
I'm
eat
excited now.
Where's my cheese toasty? Now I
I'm
want
excited to see it.
Wasn't expecting this
I
display.
was not expecting it to be plated up.
3, 2.
Holy scheiße.
That's the money shot.
Ooh, it's
Bag.
steaming.
And go.
Ooh. I mean, it works on camera, does it not?
Listen to
That's good.
oh my god. Oh my god.
It's really hot.
So it's cheesy. It's a
Yeah.
sandwich. It's deep fried.
The first thing when I bit into it, all I got was like a squelch in my mouth because it had that much oil in it.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope my mom doesn't see this because she is very concerned about my table manners, which I no longer abide to.
It kind of tastes like it's chicken.
Kind of spicy too.
When I bit into it, I thought I was eating chicken, and then I wasn't eating chicken, but I was eating a grilled cheese.
It's like eating. What's like the oiliest thing you can think? Like it's it's fried. That's what it is. Fried chicken.
Like a sandwich made of cheese with bread, rather than the other way around, I think.
Might be a bit too much cheese.
It's almost like just deep fried cheese. It doesn't
Yeah,
really feel like
it's
there's
got the coating on it, and then you kind of forget that there's something in
you
between.
forget that there's a toast.
It was like a pound of cheese.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know what purpose this dish serves in my life.
Oh my god.
The more textures that the dish has, the better.
When you need all sorts of different like flavors and textures
Or like
all at once.
Or like hangover food.
That's definitely a hangover breakfast thing.
Like, give me a few glasses of wine.
Yeah.
This is what I crave.
I give it a 4.
I give it a 4 or 5. There's someone in the world that would love this. It's just not me.
I'll give it 7. It does have the wow factor. I hate that word, but yeah, it does have it.
7 out of 10.
Like 6.
I'll give it a 6 because it's tasty, but it's definitely something I wouldn't be able to at home.
It may be 7.
Yeah, probably a 7 or an 8.
It kind of depends on when you're gonna have it.
Yeah, I
'Cause
was about to say that.
After a night out, it's a
I
10
was
out
about
of
to
10.
say that.
Stop it. Wait.
I like it though.
I like it, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Flavor-wise, it's
Cheese, deep fried sandwich,
excellent. Yeah. No? In French, I don't know. How do they say it?